Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between Oppo A9 2020 and Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's get right into it. Oppo A9 2020 comes with a quad cameras on the back, while the A50 comes with a triple cameras on the back. So without any further ado, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see how much a difference between A50 versus the Oppo A9 2020. So here we go. And logo came up first on the Samsung Galaxy A50 and Oppo A9 2020 is right behind. A50 comes with Exynos 9610 processor with a 4GB of RAM, while the Oppo A9 2020 comes with a Snapdragon 665 chip with 8GB of RAM. Yes, it is a 8GB RAM variant. And Samsung Galaxy A50 is faster there and Oppo A9 2020 is also right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference there. A50 comes with a Full HD Super AMOLED display versus a 720p IPS LCD on the Oppo A9 2020. So let's see the app's opening speed. So like always, everything is closed up in the background and we're gonna start off by basic stuff. First we have is the phone dialer, and that was about the same on both phones. Maybe Oppo A9 2020 is just a tiny bit faster there. So settings, that was about the same on both phones, almost same on both phones. Mic lock, again same result. So moving on with some more application, the calendar, this time Samsung Galaxy A50 is just a tiny bit faster there. So my files, and seems like Oppo A9 2020 is faster there, and you can see, and the system based application is very same on both phones. So let's see some games application. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga on both phones, and Oppo A9 2020 is faster there. Samsung Galaxy 50 is also right behind there, about 1 second difference there. So Subway Surfer, and let's see, and Samsung Galaxy A50 is done and followed by the Oppo A9 2020, just a tiny bit faster there, very slight difference there. So next up is the Temper Run 2 on both phones, and again Samsung Galaxy A50 is faster there, and you can see, and now Oppo A9 2020 is also done. So and you can see, so last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and that is faster on the Oppo A9 2020 and A50 is right behind. And you can see, and the system based application is very same on both phones, but the games application is faster on the Samsung Galaxy 51 game is faster on the A9 2020. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using the Google Chrome on both phones, so same Wi-Fi network there. So wikipedia.org, and seems like Oppo A9 2020 is just a tiny bit faster there. A50 is right behind, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in out. So next up is the apple.com, and Samsung Galaxy A50 is done, and now Oppo A9 2020 is also done, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and you can see same thing with zooming in out, no lag whatsoever. So let's check out the RAM measurement on both phones. A50 comes with a 4GB RAM versus a 8GB RAM on the Oppo A9 2020. So very interesting to see how much a difference between 4GB of RAM and 8GB of RAM. And 4GB RAM is enough with awesome optimization, and so far really good on both phones. Candy Crush, no refresh. Subway Surfer, again no refresh. And Temper Run 2 again. And we are back to the internet browser, and you can see, and overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is faster on the Samsung Galaxy 50, but the system based application is very same on both phones. RAM measurement is excellent on both phones, not much a difference between 4 gigs of RAM and 8 GB RAM with a great optimization. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between Oppo A9 2020 versus Samsung Galaxy A50. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo A9 2020. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.